Good Friday in a Caribbean home, you already know what's on the menu. Escovitch fish fried just right. When you're frying your fish, you want to make sure that your oil is hot. You throw in your garlic, your pimento, your pepper. Some people use thyme, whatever you want to add up to spice up your oil. Add it and do your thing. It's your kitchen. I also like to drizzle a little bit of flour on the outside of my fish. It just adds a little bit more crispiness on the outside. And you see that? Look on the fish. Tell me how much of this fish you want on your plate right now. And because we have the escovitch fish, of course, while the fish is frying, I'm also frying some festival and some green pressed plantain. While that is going on, me have bun in the oven and me also make a fresh homemade hard dough bread because some maybe don't want the sweetness, some want the bread. You see, warm. Boy, all of this give the house a nice smell. Fish frying, bun baking with escovitch sauce going on the fish. Remember this? I told you to make sure you do your escovitch sauce ahead of time, and this hit just right. And here goes the finished product: the escovitch fish, the green plantain, the festival, the bun, the bread. Man, it's the way we grew up, the way we remember, and somehow on days like this, the food just tastes even better. Good Friday, the Jamaican way. You don't know. Thank you so much for sticking around again, watching Yashika turn up the kitchen on Easter weekend.